This video I will explain how to split a bill with friends using Google Pay. Imagine you pay for a whole dinner for you and three friends. Instead of calculating everyone's share manually and asking them one by one, Google Pay automate this. It figures out the shares and send a payment request to each friend, who can then pay you directly through the app. Here you can see the high level flow of Google Bill Split functionality. Start the bill split, then you have to create the group or choose the group, then enter the bill details, then divide the cost, then send the request and friends to pay, then track the payments and end. We will see in details. Step 1 is start a bill split. Open the Google Pay app on your phone. You typically look for the way to start the new action, often by tapping an option like a new payment or finding the split and expense feature, which might be on the main screen or inside a search or contact section. Second step is create a group or use an existing group. You need to tell the Google Pay who is sharing the cost. If this is a first time splitting the bill with these friends, you will create a new group. You do this by selecting the names of your friends from your phone's contacts who are also on the Google Pay. You can give the group a simple group name like a dinner club or weekend trip so you can find it easily next time. If you have split the bill with them before, just select the existing group chat. Step 3 is enter the bill details. Once the group is set, you will be prompted to split an expense or a similar option. Enter the total amount of the bill. You can also add a brief description or name for the expense. For example, movie tickets. So everyone remembers what the payment is for. Step 4 is divide the cost. By default, Google Pay will usually split the bill equally, meaning the total cost is divided evenly among everyone in the group. If the split needs to be different, for example, someone owes a specific or unequal amount, you can often choose to customize the amount or use an option like splitting by percentage or by an exact amount for each person. This is useful if people ordered different things. Step 5 is send the request. After you confirm the total amount and how it is being divided, you tap the button like send request. Google Pay then automatically sends a payment request notification to all the friends you included in the split. This request tells them exactly how much they owe you. What happens next? For your friends, when they get the notification, they just open it and tap pay, and the money goes straight from their linked bank account to your linked bank account through Google Pay. For you, the person who created the split, you can go back to the group chat to check the status of the bill. It will show you the simple tracker of who has paid their share and who has not paid their share. This is great for keeping track without having to ask your friends. If your friend forget to pay, using Google Pay, you can send a gentle reminder from the same screen. In summary, Google Pay's bill splitting feature is a simple way to create a group, enter the total amount, automatically calculate each person's share, and send a request for them to pay you back directly. Here you can see Pay Anyone option. Click on this. Inside that, you can see Split Expenses option.